Hey designers, let's create a smooth graph animation in After Effects, quickly and easily. We'll be making 3 different graphs, and this tutorial is beginner-friendly, so let's dive right in. First, I have a background image in my composition. Let's lock it to avoid accidental edits. Now, using the pen tool, draw a straight line like this. Set its stroke color to white, gray, or any color you prefer. Next, make sure no layer is selected, and again, using the pen tool, create the graph shape. At the end of the graph, add an arrow and adjust it as needed. Select this graph layer and change its stroke color to a greenish shade. Then, go to its properties, click Add, and choose Trim Paths. Open the Trim Path options, click the stopwatch next to End, and set the value to 0. Move the timeline indicator to the 2-second mark and change the end value to 100. Now, let's smooth the animation. Select both keyframes, press F9 to easy ease them, and preview. The graph now animates smoothly. Next, duplicate this graph layer by pressing Ctrl+D. Change the stroke color to red. Then right-click Transform, flip vertical. Adjust its position so that one graph moves upward while the other moves downward. Let's add text. Grab the text tool and type any relevant information for the graph. Adjust the text position, size, and alignment. To animate the text, go to Effects and Presets, search for Typewriter, and apply it. By default, the animation is slow. To speed it up, select the text layer, press U to reveal keyframes, and move the second keyframe closer to the first one. Finally, if you want the initial baseline to animate, move to the first frame, select Shape Layer 2, press U to reveal its keyframes, and copy them, Ctrl+C. Now, select the first line we created, press Ctrl+V to paste the keyframes. To make it faster, move the second keyframe closer to the first. Moving on to the last step, applying the glow effect. Create a new adjustment layer, go to Effects and Presets, and search for Glow. Apply it to the adjustment layer, then increase the glow radius and intensity as needed. Once that's done, preview the animation. The first graph is now complete. For the second graph, grab the ellipse tool and draw a circle. To center the anchor point, hold Ctrl and double-click on the anchor point tool. Change the stroke color to gray and increase the stroke size. Align the circle properly in the composition, and if it looks too big, adjust the scale. Now, duplicate this circle by pressing Ctrl+D. For the duplicated layer, change the stroke color. Let's go with a sea blue color this time. Go into the properties of this duplicated layer, click Add, and choose Trim Paths. In the Trim Paths options, set the end value to 0, then click the stopwatch next to it. Move the timeline indicator forward a few frames and change the end value to 80% instead of 100% so the graph doesn't fully complete. Select both keyframes, press F9 to easy ease them, and preview. The animation should look smooth. add the text just like before. Align it properly within the composition, both vertically and horizontally. Apply the typewriter effect to the text layer. Press U to reveal keyframes, and move the second keyframe closer to the first one so the animation plays faster. Once again, create a new adjustment layer and apply the glow effect. Adjust the glow radius and intensity to your preference. And that's it. The second graph is done. Now, on to the third graph. Start by selecting the pen tool and drawing an L-shaped line, just like the first one. Reduce the stroke size and align it properly, making sure it sits well within the composition. Then, with no layer selected, use the pen tool again to draw another line. Increase the stroke size, and let's move forward. Go into the properties of this layer. Click Add, and choose Trim Paths. After applying the Trim Paths animation, select both keyframes and press F9 to ease them. Now, duplicate this layer a few times. Take the last duplicated layer and position it at the end of the line where the last graph will be. Then, select all the graph lines, go to the Align panel, and use the Distribute Horizontally option. This will evenly space them out. Next, press U to reveal all keyframes. At the second frame, adjust the values so that some graphs are taller and others shorter, giving a natural variation. Preview the animation, and you'll see the graphs moving smoothly. To differentiate between them, assign each graph layer a unique color. Once that's done, the graphs are complete. For the finishing touch, add an adjustment layer and apply the glow effect. This enhances the overall look. That's it. 3 different types of graph animations created quickly and easily. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more content like this.